Unveiling the Truth, the meaning of come clean. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we have a special phrase to explore: come clean. You might have heard it in movies, songs, or maybe read it in a book. But what does it really mean? Stick with us as we unfold the story behind this phrase and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Let's start by breaking down the phrase, come clean. Literally, come means to move or approach towards something, and clean means free from dirt, marks, or stains. When we put these words together, though, do they mean approaching something in a clean way? Not quite. When used together, this phrase takes on a whole new meaning. In English, come clean is an idiomatic expression. It means to be honest and confess or admit the truth about something, especially something that is difficult to confess or that one has been hiding. The clean part here is metaphorical, suggesting a clean conscience after the truth is told. Now, let's see how to use come clean in different sentences. You can say, after the vase broke, the children decided to come clean and tell their parents the truth. Or, in another scenario, he decided to come clean about his mistakes to make amends. Notice how in both cases, the phrase indicates a revelation or admission after a period of concealment. Come clean has been used widely in pop culture and literature, often to portray moments of revelation and honesty. Characters in stories may come clean to resolve a conflict or as a turning point in the plot. It's a powerful moment that signifies change and honesty in a person's character arc. Understanding the context when someone says, come clean, is crucial. It's not used for everyday truth-telling, like admitting who ate the last piece of cake. It's more serious than that. It's about coming forward with something significant, often with a sense of relief and the hope of forgiveness or understanding from others. And there you have it, folks. You now know what come clean means and how to use it in conversation. It's a phrase that packs a punch and conveys a strong message of honesty. We hope this video helps you understand and use come clean more confidently in English. Remember, learning a language is about getting to know these little pieces that add depth to your conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.